Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on Fitbit. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Fitbit and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.